Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. On Friday, the Australian dollar bears put in a determined down challenge after a choppy session ended in the red after posting an intraday low of 64.01. The bearish sentiment was helped after Friday's China data report, with the April industrial production rising by 3.9% year on year. However, retail sales plummeted by negative 7.5%, with the unemployment rate climbing to 6%. It is still assessed at present the direction of how well the bulls can take the market from the rebound. I feel from a technical point it's going to struggle and therefore could see further risk towards 64.30 and lower towards the objective that holds around 63.25.35, which also to note is the 60-day moving average. Looking to this week, economic outlook, the RBA monetary policy minutes is tomorrow, and then followed on Thursday is the RBA Governor Phil Lowe. No doubt from either should give a bit more interest into the market and maybe see the downside challenge as I favour to be reached. Well, it would seem that the market's slight choppiness on Friday failed to exhibit any type of direction, but from the close still remains above the level of 107.35 to 55. I still feel that is the vulnerable side and therefore could see the challenge towards this region. Take some note that there is some divergence here from the RSI, so any advances towards 108.50 to 108.1995 may fail as previously seen. The dollar yen is traded now 4 days on a sideways range and still likely, I feel, breaking beneath 107 eventually to take on the challenge of 105.40, and the immediate target is 106.50. Overall though, from the RSI dropping, the bears should continue to keep the pressure on. Talking of bears, well, as you can see on Friday, the support level of 121.60 was crushed, and with the market plummeting to a fresh low of 121 figure. But now that was on Friday, but from this morning's close is at 120.78 has been posted and gives further risk to the downside, which I'm calling at 120 or maybe down to 119 figure, and therefore could see further bearish activity into this week, as we do have the Bank of England Governor Bailey speaking in midweek, and therefore could see further pressure towards the downside. Dollar CAD is still trading sideways, but still locked within the parameters of 138.5 to 142. I still feel from a technical point we are breaking down. With oil rallying, should put a bit of pressure back on the support. The outlook for gold is rallied through my call, that is, of 1,748.52. And then from there, from the break, is now posting further risk towards the level of 1,780 to 96 area, which is also seen as the 8-year highs. Do be on your guard though, because the market's most probably going to get very, very whippy soon, and therefore could see either a rejection from that area or continuation, which I doubt at the moment, but let's see how it plays into today. The support comes in at 54 to 44, and the base now seen at 1,726 to 32, and while intact, may keep the bulls very busy. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market has rallied close to 12% since the rebound off the $24 level. My view was $31. Now it's extending to 36 or maybe to 41. From the technical pattern though, we are still trending, so therefore I do expect to see further initial challenges towards the upside. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. So please look out for the intraday report that will be released soon, and also I hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.